है लैंडमार्क रियलिटी। मैं हूं यश यादव। आज जैसे आपने थंबनेल में पढ़ ही लिया है, हम किस प्रॉपर्टी पे खड़े हैं, क्या प्रॉपर्टी का नाम है, क्या इसकी लोकेशन है। क्रिसुमी वाटरफॉल रेसिडेंसेस के नाम से ये प्रॉपर्टी है। लग्जरी A1 प्रॉपर्टी है ये, एट पार टू ऑल लग्जरी प्रॉपर्टीज इन गुड़गांव। सेक्टर 36A द्वारका एक्सप्रेस वे के ऊपर है। इट इज़ ऑन द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द्वारका एक्सप्रेस वे एंड CPR, जहाँ पे आपका ट्रम्पेट फ्लाईओवर बन रहा है, विच इज़ गोइंग टूवर्ड्स द मल्टी यूटिलिटी कॉरिडोर गुड़गांव के अंदर। जिनको पता है नक्शा गुड़गांव के बारे में, दे कैन रिलेट ईजीली। एंड प्रॉपर्टी काफ़ी प्राइम है, तो पूरा प्रॉपर्टी का सैम्पल फ्लैट का पूरा आर्किटेक्ट एवरीथिंग वुड बी कवर्ड इन दिस वीडियो। पूरा वीडियो देखिए। माइवन कंस्ट्रक्शन है, टाटा हाउसिंग टाटा प्रोजेक्ट्स इसको बना रहा है। माइवन कंस्ट्रक्शन है। बिल्डिंग की जो लाइफ है, इट इज़ मोर देन 150+ ईयर्स। एक्सट्रीम सुपर लग्जरी प्रॉपर्टी है ये, उसी हिसाब से प्रॉपर्टी रहेगी। इंडो जापानीज जॉइंट वेंचर है ये, क्रिसुमी कृष्णा एंड सोमेटो के दोनों के साथ में ये जॉइंट वेंचर है। लोकेशन काफ़ी प्राइम है। इट इज़ अ गुड प्रॉपर्टी, नो ब्रेनर प्रॉपर्टी है जी। नो ब्रेनर है ये। नो ब्रेनर इसीलिए कि आप एज ए एंड यूज़र हैं तो उसके लिए बहुत बढ़िया है, एज एन इन्वेस्टर है उसके लिए बहुत बढ़िया है। रिटर्न्स आपको दोनों मिलेंगे। रेंटल्स यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छे आएंगे। NH8 और द्वारका एक्सप्रेस वे, CPR तीनों हाईवे से कनेक्टिविटी है इसकी। अच्छी जेंट्री आने वाली है तो रेंटल्स अच्छे मिलेंगे आपके। जापानीज़ एक्सपैक्ट्स जो अपने इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज में जो जापानी कंपनीज़ हैं, अपना यहाँ पे बावल में, नीमराना में जितनी भी जापानीज़ कोरियन कंपनीज़ हैं, उनके एक्सपैक्ट्स जो हैं वो सारे यहीं पे आएंगे। सो उस हिसाब से इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्रॉपर्टी फॉर एंड यूज एंड फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। बाकी डिटेल्स फिर आपको वीडियो मिल जाएगी। वीडियो पूरा देखिए एंड लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड keep watching. Thank you. So guys, now we have Miss Priyanka from Krisumi Sales Department. She will guide us to the entire property, what is there and how they are building the property and what is their vision to deliver the project itself. Over to you, ma'am.
Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka. I'm part of sales team at Krisumi. So Krisumi is a joint venture between Krishna Group India and Sumitomo Corporation Japan. So our project is influenced by Japanese art and architecture and Japanese craftsmanship. There is a lot of Japanese philosophy indulged in this project. This is why the name is Waterfall Residences, because waterfall is known as a good omen in Japanese culture. As you can see, there are a lot of water bodies inside the project.
So ma'am, ये आपका sales lounge है या this is the clubhouse that you are planning?
This is our sales lounge.
This is
All
a
the
sales
lobbies of this sales lounge are the replica of Waterfall Residences.
Okay.
Our project is designed by world's famous architectural firm Nikken Seiki.
Nikken
He's
Seiki,
the number
हाँ जी।
one architect from Japan, has designed and delivered more than 25,000 projects across the globe. And one of his famous projects is Tokyo Skytree and Timber Towers
Okay.
in Japan.
Right.
So let's go.
चलिए।
All this rock art and stonework will remain same.
अच्छा, ये
Since
जो
Japanese are very nature centric, they like mountains, nature, etc.
तो जी आप गाइस ये देख रहे हैं रॉक आर्ट, ये पूरा ऐसे ही रहेगा।
Right.
So this would be like this in the clubhouse. You will be
In
getting
the
this
lobbies.
in the lobbies of the apartment
Right,
as well.
right.
Okay. ठीक है जी। तो ये आपने लाइव सैंपल रखा है आपका। दिस इज द रॉक दैट यू आर यूजिंग।
Right.
ओके। सही है। इतना बड़ा पत्थर कहाँ से मिल रहा है? सही है।
So, company has a land bank of 65 acres. Out of 65 acres, 5.4 acres is licensed for waterfall residences. In rest 60 acres, we'll be coming up with 5-star hotel, mall, school and other residentials. Out of 5.4 acres, what we are trying to create here is all about a luxury lifestyle, and we have maintained that luxury throughout the project. Out of 5.4 acres, we have 3 towers. This is Tower A, which has 24 floors. This is Tower B, which has 27 floors. And this is Tower C, which has 34 floors. Out of these 3 towers, we have 433 apartments. Best part of our project is we have a green belt of 220 acres, which will remain as it is, and it is a private proposed golf course. The entire ground floor is clubhouse, as we see in 5-star hotels. So basically, clubhouse is integrated with all the 3 towers. Our clubhouse would have each and every luxury amenities which any 5-star hotel gives. At the ground floor, we have cafe and a waiting lounge. Then we have multi-cuisine restaurant with a bar, and then we have Zen garden, which is a Japanese style of garden.
Okay.
Which will be used for yoga and meditation. This is the main entrance of the project. So we have 2 water bodies at our entrance. Once your vehicle will enter inside, while in concierge will take your car and park it in the basement. हम one-way traffic circulation follow करते हैं inside the premises. And we'll be having 5 to 7 golf carts as well.
Okay, golf carts भी रहेंगे for.
जी. Out of 5.4 acres, 70% area is open space and landscaping, and rest 30% is construction. So as you can see, we have elevated tennis court. Underneath we have guest parking and visitors parking.
Okay.
And we have 2 level of basement. In the basement, apart from 800 car parks, we are giving laundromat, car washing facilities, driver's lounge and charging stations for hybrid cars.
Okay.
Since, as I told you, there is a lot of Japanese philosophy indulged in our project, and waterfall is known as a good domain in Japanese culture. Because Japanese are very nature-centric, they love nature, so our landscaping is designed by Nikinseki in detailing. We have 2 swimming pools, one for adult and one for kids. This is half Olympic size pool. And यहाँ पे हमारा main waterfall है, जो कि Taki waterfall है. Taki means peace in Japanese.
Okay.
And ये है हमारा Al Fresco dining restaurant, जो कि open area dining restaurant है. ये greens और water view को face करेगा. यहाँ पे हमारा 1 kilometer का jogging track भी है. And all these greens are the usable greens. We also have open cabana and a closed cabana. Then इस side पे हमारा outdoor kids play area है. So massive kids play area for kids. And then this side we have open area car parking for visitors. Every tower has 4 penthouses, and out of these 3 towers, we have 12 penthouses. And they are all duplex.
Every penthouse is a duplex apartment.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Tata Projects हमारा कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्टनर है, और हम माइवन टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ कर रहे हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए, जिसमें कि ब्रिक वर्क इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता. कॉन्क्रीट स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड प्री फैब्रिकेटेड वॉल्स आर असेंबल्ड, जिससे कंस्ट्रक्शन जल्दी हो जाता है, रिलायबल रहता है, कोई सीपेज या लीकेज नहीं आती है फ्यूचर में. टाटा प्रोजेक्ट्स ही हैं जो नए पार्लियामेंट हाउस का कंस्ट्रक्शन भी अभी देख रहे हैं. सो वी हैव 4 बिग ब्रांड्स टुगेदर: टाटा, सुमिटोमो, कृष्णा एंड निकिन्सेकी.
Okay, मैम. तो माइवन कंस्ट्रक्शन है पूरी है, so उसके बिल्डिंग की लाइफ also increases more than 150 years.
Yes, yes.
That is also an advantage for everybody. So it becomes basically timeless property बन जाती है वो.
Right. For example, we are using polypropylene piping for the construction, which is usually used in submarines and chemical plants. So you can understand the quality of.
I guess that is the toughest form of plastic pipe available, I suppose.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
As it is used in chemical plants.
Correct. हाँ, इतना तो whoever is watching if they're into chemical engineering, they would come to know कि भाई किस particular compound की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे अभी. Okay. Nee, nice, ma'am. So you're telling me that entire first floor for all the towers along with this clubhouse is entirely clubhouse?
Right. The entire ground floor is clubhouse.
Entire
जिसे हम
ground
5-star
floor.
hotels में भी देखते हैं.
हाँ जी.
So it is integrated with all the 3 towers.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is our sample lift lobbies. Every tower will have such a lift lobby with 7 high-speed elevators from Mitsubishi, same ceiling height and same interiors. Since Japanese like wooden concept more, so we have done quite a lot of wooden work. I'll also show you a sample elevator from Mitsubishi, which we are giving. So only DLF Camellias and Magnolias has such an elevator, and this is how we have maintained the luxury throughout the project. So you can have a look inside the elevator as well.
So, ma'am, so this is the sample elevator that you'll be giving with entire woodwork and everything.
Yeah. So this is how exactly the elevator will look like. This is the standard layout of 3 LDK plus S. In India, we use BHK terminology. In Japan, they use LDK terminology, which is living, dining and kitchen.
Okay.
S could be servant, study and store. Then we have a unique Risumi select feature. आप layout को choose कर सकते हैं. For example, in the kitchen, we have a layout of open kitchen, closed kitchen. In the bedroom, we have a layout of room and a TV lounge. And in the S feature, we have a layout of servant, store and study.
Okay. So मैम पूरा यूनिट जो है that is entirely customizable as per client's requirement.
Right.
किसी को अगर किस फॉर्मेट में चाहिए, स्टोर चाहिए, स्टडी चाहिए और सर्वेंट चाहिए, वो कस्टमाइज्ड हो जाएगा पूरा.
Exactly.
Okay, so basically no 2 or 3 apartments would be the same.
Exactly.
सबका अपना independent personal touch आएगा apartment
Right.
में. That is good. That is good.
So this is the main entrance of 3 LDK plus S.
जी.
Every apartment has 8-way window door which is fireproof. Can resist fire till 2 hours.
Okay, तो 2 hours fire resistant है ये.
So this is fire resistant, can resist fire till 2 hours.
Okay.
Then the entire apartment has an engineered wooden flooring, which is heat-proof, waterproof, termite-proof, and has a warranty of 5 years.
Okay, so it's a 5 years warranty for this wooden flooring.
Right. In the
Okay.
entire apartment, we are giving you ACs from Daikin. So Daikin is again a Japanese room. Daikin is again a Japanese brand. And in the rooms, we are giving you wall-mounted ACs from Daikin, centralized by 1 unit.
Okay, VRV system जो अपना.
Right.
Okay.
I'll now show you the best part of our apartment, which is our long-running balcony. So we have a concept of long-running balcony. Suppose you are hosting a party in the living room. So you can open the sliders and you can easily access the balcony because it is quite very big. We follow straight line architecture, which means no apartment will face another apartment. You
Okay,
will
okay.
only have green view, water view, and some other attribute.
Okay.
Every balcony, every room has access to the long-running balcony. Then we are giving you same stainless steel sliders, which is from Shuko, heat-proof and 96% soundproof.
96% soundproof and entirely heat proof.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. That is good. नहीं balcony काफी अच्छी है, running balcony so
Right.
every room is accessible through balcony.
Exactly.
Okay, okay.
And then you will always have a resort-like lifestyle.
Correct,
Since there
correct.
is no apartment in front of you.
Privacy is also being
Right.
maintained over here. That is very thoughtful.
Then this is the first bedroom of the apartment, which we have converted into TV lounge.
Okay, this is the TV lounge.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Then
this is the optional thing जो आप पहले बता रहे थे.
Right. We have a provision of sliders as well.
Okay, okay.
So you can convert the entire room. And the size of this room is 11 by 12.
11 by 12.
So as you can see, all these sliders gives a very sophisticated look.
हाँ जी, काफ़ी modern touch आ रहा है इससे. Correct, correct. So guys, this is the lounge area. It can be used as a lounge. It can be used as a bedroom as well. That is up to your convenience. आप क्या चाहते हैं, क्या नहीं चाहते हैं. Balcony का access सामने ही है, as you can see. Every room is accessible to that long running balcony. ताकि प्राइवेसी मेंटेन रहे, बालकनी का एक्सेस सबको मिले एंड एयरी फीलिंग आए, स्पेशियस अपार्टमेंट है आपका ये.
Then we have a concept of open kitchen and a closed kitchen.
ओके मैम.
And this is open kitchen. आजकल open kitchen का trend ज़्यादा है.
करेक्ट
In
करेक्ट.
case of closed kitchen, there will be a wall here. Door will come at this side.
अच्छा, ये पूरा एल काउंटर जो है पूरा वॉल आ जाएगी एंड दिस वुड बी द एंट्रेंस फॉर
Right.
इन केस ऑफ क्लोज्ड वंस.
Right. In the kitchen, we are giving you same leather finished granite work.
Okay.
Fully loaded modular kitchen with chimney and hob.
Chimney and
all-
hob.
And all these brands are again Japanese.
Japanese
Combined
brands.
series.
तो यू आर गिविंग वारंटीज फॉर पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट्स एज वेल.
Right.
चिमनी एंड हॉब सबका.
Right.
दैट इज गुड. ओके.
So we have here we have a refrigerator from Siemens.
So this is including the appliances. अच्छा.
So you can customize
Okay.
if you want appliances. You can buy it from other.
As per requirement आप दे देंगे, but this is not in the standard thing that
Right.
you're selling.
Right.
Okay.
Apart from white goods, everything here is the standard.
All right. ma'am.
Then this side we have a utility balcony. So this area is open to the sky. And suppose you are buying 3 plus study or 3 plus servant, then there is a separate entrance and exit for servant from here.
Okay. So यहाँ से सर्वेंट का एंट्रेंस हो जाएगा.
Right.
Okay.
We have laundromat in the basement, but still we have given a provision of plumbing also.
तो plumbing है. So you can keep a washing machine and stuff. Wet point आपने दे रखा है यहाँ
Right.
पे. Okay. ठीक है जी.
So I'll now show you the S part of our apartment, which is a study room, servant or a store. So we have converted this room into study room. You can choose to have this room as servant room or a store room.
Okay.
In that case, layout will be different.
Layout will be
So there
different.
will be a proper privacy. There will be a wall here, so that it will not have involvement inside the apartment.
Okay. उसका entry exit would be from the utility balcony itself that we saw earlier.
Servant has a separate entrance and exit from there.
Okay.
From
जी.
utility balcony.
Servant के लिए. Okay. And if you want to plan it as a store,
In that case, there is a wall here. Door will come at this side.
इंटरनल अंदर से ओपनिंग का डोर मिल जाएगा। ओके ठीक है जी। दिस इज द स्टडी रूम दैट यू हैव।
Or you can convert this room into puja room also.
Study room, puja room, servant room, store room, anything can be converted as per your customization. Developer आपको करके दे देगा what is your requirement, उसके हिसाब से something everything would be catered for that thing.
Then this is the second bedroom of the apartment, which we have converted into kids bedroom. Size of this bedroom and the first bedroom is same, which is 11 by 12.
11 by
The TV
12.
lounge I have shown you.
जी मैम। This is also directly accessible from the balcony itself.
So
Same balcony.
again, all the rooms have engineered wooden flooring, which is heat-proof, waterproof, termite-proof. Then in the washroom, we have a sanitary fixtures from Toto and Grohe. Toto and Grohe is again a Japanese brand with a warranty of 5 years. We have specially customized all these tiles for Kusumi Waterfall residences.
So you have customized the
And every
tiles.
washroom has a different concept of wash basin. And once you open the door, so WC is not visible. So this is our guest washroom. You can use this washroom with the first bedroom, or it's a common washroom for the guest.
This is a common washroom. Okay मैम। जिसमें भी सिंक अलग है।
And then this is our master bedroom. Size is 12.5 by 15.5.
12.5 by 15.5. Nice.
I'll show you the wardrobe space as well. So we have inbuilt wardrobe as well.
Okay.
And you can always enjoy your evening tea and morning tea by looking at the landscaping, because none of the apartment is facing another apartment, as we follow straight line architecture. So you'll always have a complete resort-like lifestyle.
So running balcony है पूरी accessible from the drawing dining, your lounge area, from the kids room and from the master bedroom itself. Twelve by 15 is the size for this master bedroom. Decent size है, अच्छा size है master bedroom का.
Then you can have look and feel inside the washroom as well. As I told you, every washroom has a different style of wash basin. And once you open the door, so WC is not visible.
So this is our view once we open the door, and WC यहाँ पे नहीं दिख रहा है, which is exactly behind the door, but आपको नहीं दिखेगा unless you want to see it. So 6.10 by 8 का बाथरूम है ये.
So we have a wine cellar as well, which is temperature controlled.
Okay, okay.
As you can see.
So ये भी आप साथ में देंगे वाइन सेलर बना के?
Yes, in fully furnished, it is a part
Fully
of
furnished assembly में आपको मिलेगा.
Sir, एक बार balcony देख लेना. Also grey and beige. Grey is usually liked by Japanese and Koreans, and beige is liked by Indians and Russians. All the even floors are of grey color, and then odd ones are beige.
Even floors are of grey color and odd ones are in beige color. Okay. So जब हमने sample flat देखा था that is.
was designed in grey color.
Yeah, so
Grey is more of a stylish, wherein it gives a compact look, and beige is little bit of natural and gives a little brighter look.
correct. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, towards your left is the grey and right side में beige है. So you can see the difference that is quite visible. जी मैम.
So let's go to the clubhouse model.
Sure.
So the entire ground floor is clubhouse, जैसे कि हम 5-star hotels में देख रहे हैं. This is the main entrance of the club. Once we enter inside, we have cafe and a waiting lounge. मैंने आपको 2 towers दिखाए थे, 2 adjoining towers, which is tower A and B.
जी जी.
Here we have tower A, and then यहाँ पे है हमारा tower B.
Tower B. हाँ जी.
So we have theatre with a bar, we have squash court, we have salon, spa, sauna, we have gymnasium which will face greens and water polo.
ओके, स्विमिंग पूल फेसिंग का आपका आ जाएगा वो.
Right, and there here we have changing rooms for swimming pool as well.
Makes
Then
sense.
we have banquet hall. We have multi-cuisine restaurant with a bar with a seating capacity of 150 pax. And this is our Zen garden, which will be used for yoga and meditation.
Okay.
This is Tower C. So every lobby will have waterfall view, just like we have seen at the reception.
हाँ जी मैम.
At this side we have indoor gaming zone where we'll be coming up with billiards, table tennis, chess, carom. This is our convenience store with a chemist,
Okay.
cafe and a library, indoor kids play area and outdoor kids play area.
So this
As I
is
told you,
that.
70% area is open space and landscaping, and rest 30% is construction. So massive 36,000 square feet of clubhouse just for 3 towers.
36,000 square feet of clubhouse for 3 towers, in which you have 430 units.
Yes.
Okay, that is nice.
So let me take you to the location model. And location is the major USP of this project. This is 65 acres of land bank which company has. Can you see the highlighted buildings? This is 65 acres.
The entire building part side. This is the 65
This is
acre land
65
bank.
acres.
Okay, ठीक है.
So we are standing in the middle of these 65 acres, and the blue highlighted building is waterfall residences.
The building towards the end, that is the waterfall residences, Krisumi waterfall residences. And this entire thing जो आपने buildings बना रखे हैं, this will come up in near future.
Right.
Okay,
So
okay.
we are planning commercial, residential, for example malls, school, etc.
Okay, okay.
हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के सामने ग्रीन बेल्ट है 220 एकड़ की, जो कि एज इट इज रहेगी, और ये प्राइवेट प्रपोज्ड गोल्फ कोर्स भी है.
Private proposed golf course. हाँ जी, that I have seen. हाँ.
This is the only project in the country which is located on the confluence of 4 widest expressways of Gurgaon, which is NH8, the longest highway, SPR Southern Periphery Road, जो कि golf course extension road और सोना रोड को connect कर रहा है.
जी.
Then it is bang on CPR 90 meter wide road, जो कि shortest highway है गुड़गांव.
Shortest highway, हाँ
और
जी.
ये है फास्टेस्ट हाईवे ऑफ गुड़गांव, जिसको हम बोलते हैं नॉर्दर्न पेरिफेरी रोड, जो कि है द्वारका
द्वारका
एक्सप्रेस.
एक्सप्रेसवे.
अगर आप द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे से आ रहे हो, यहाँ पे ट्रम्पेट जंक्शन आ रहा है, जो कि 8 लेन कॉरिडोर रोड है. इसकी एक्सेस CPR से है, और ये आपको 1.2 किलोमीटर्स में वाटरफॉल रेसिडेंसेस की एक्सेस दे रहा है.
हाँ जी मैम.
एंड द कंस्ट्रक्शन हैज बीन डन बाय LMT. यहाँ पे क्लवर लीफ जंक्शन आ रहा है, जो कि विच इज सिमिलर टू द एम्स फ्लाईओवर. दिस इज कनेक्टिंग SPR, कनेक्टिंग CPR, और ये 1.8 किलोमीटर्स से में एक्सेस दे रहा है वाटरफॉल रेसिडेंसेस की फ्रॉम NH8.
From NH8 1.8 kilometers.
हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के बैक साइड पे है ग्लोबल सिटी, जैसे कि प्रगति मैदान है दिल्ली में. इट्स ए कन्वेंशन सेंटर अप्रूव्ड बाय HSIDC, स्प्रेड ओवर 1100 acres ऑफ लैंड.
So global city. अच्छा.
एंड देन यहाँ पे हमारा एक हेली हब आ रहा है.
Okay.
दिस इज पटौदी रोड. ये है गुड़गांव का सबसे बड़ा कमर्शियल सेक्टर, जो कि हमारे सेक्टर के पास में है, सेक्टर 88.
Sector 88 है. हाँ जी.
यहाँ पे एलान का कमर्शियल है, एलान मेडिकल.
एलन मेरेकल कॉर्नर पे, करेक्ट.
इधर एमट्रीएम है, हमारे सर का टोल. टोल से हम आगे जाते हैं, हल्दीराम्स आता है,
हाँ जी मैम.
और उस साइड पे DLF कॉर्पोरेट ग्रीन्स.
DLF corporate greens are correct. Also you take the Cloverleaf flyover and then you can access waterfall residences at the distance of 1.8 kilometers.
हमारी प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी एयरपोर्ट से भी बहुत अच्छी है. So in near future, it will take you 15 to 20 minutes to reach airport from here.
From here to airport via Dwarka Expressway.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
You can go through NH8 as well. So geographically, according to the master plan of Gurgaon 2031, we are in the center of Gurgaon, and overall we have a very great connectivity.
Connectivity is very great. You can access the property from Dwarka Expressway. आपका 160 meter wide Dwarka Expressway बन रहा है. Then you have your CPR connecting Dwarka Expressway and NH8 along with SPR. तो सारी कनेक्टिविटी, मेजर कनेक्टिविटीज आपकी पूरी द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे जो है वो आपका लेस देन 1 किलोमीटर में है, एंड NH8 जो दैट इज़ फ्रॉम 1.8 किलोमीटर्स दूर है. तो दोनों हाईवेज की कनेक्टिविटी इज परफेक्टली कन्वीनियंट फॉर दिस प्रॉपर्टी.
Exactly.
And this again is a, I guess, proposed metro corridor for 2031 Gurgaon master plan.
Right. यहाँ पे ISBT metro terminal भी है. So this 65 acres of project comes under TOD, Transit Oriented Development, which means your house, office and leisure space is near to the public transportation.
Okay, TOD की गाइडलाइंस. अच्छा, okay.
Transit Oriented Development.
ओके मैम. सो मैम जैसे कि आपने बताया दिस लैंड बैंक दैट यू हैव ऑफ 60 एकर्स 65 acres, sorry. So इसमें जैसे अभी you are constructing the waterfall residences which is over here
Right, in 5.4 acres.
in 5.4 acres and you will deliver this property in how much?
2023 Diwali.
2023 दिवाली. अच्छा, दिवाली गिफ्ट सबको प्रॉपर्टी सबके मिल जाएगी चाबी
I'll
हाथ.
show you the construction update as well.
जी मैम. मैम जब आप इन फ्यूचर व्हेन यू विल डेवलप ऑल दिस अदर प्रॉपर्टीज दैट आर कमिंग अप विद स्कूल रेसिडेंशियल्स एंड अदर कमर्शियल्स एज वेल, तो जो रेसिडेंट्स ऑलरेडी स्टे कर रहे हैं इन वाटरफॉल रेसिडेंसेस will it not be an inconvenience for them? कंस्ट्रक्शन चलेगी साथ में.
So, अगर आप बाहर हमारी साइट देखें, वहाँ से हमारी साइट से सेल्स लॉन्च तक there is no future development, there is no near disturbance of construction in future.
Okay.
As I will show you also from outside. Can you see that structure? That is Tower C.
Tower C, okay.
Behind that is Tower A and B.
Tower
So
A
वहाँ
and
से
B.
लेके सेल्स लॉन्च तक there is no disturbance of construction in near future.
हम देख सकते हैं ऊपर से प्लेन भी जा रहा है. दिस इज द टावर सी एंड उसके पीछे जो दिख रहा है हमें
Tower A and B.
ये टावर ए एंड बी एंड दिस बिगर वन इज टावर सी.
So construction has come up till 19th floor. As you can see, आपको वो लिफ्ट दिख रही होगी ऑरेंज कलर की
हाँ जी
जो नीचे जा रही है.
करेक्ट.
That is used for getting the concrete structures to the
ओके
upper level.
ओके जो
This is
आपके
how Myvin construction is being
शटरिंग
done.
पैनल्स जो होते हैं आपके
Exactly.
दोज आर बीइंग ट्रांसपोर्टेड. ओके
More than 800 labor was working at our site before COVID. But still, now the labor has come up little less, but still the construction is going on full swing.
सो आप कह रहे हैं टाइमली डिलीवरी हो जाएगी प्रोजेक्ट की
Right, since it's a Japanese collaboration and Japanese believe in delivering before the time.
बिफोर टाइम डिलीवरी.
And
ओके
हम अभी 15 महीने आगे ही चल रहे हैं.
ओके
So we are expecting 2023 Diwali.
23 दिवाली. ओके मैम. हाँ जी.
So I'll now show you the history walls of our companies. Since you know that Prisumi is a joint venture between Krishna Group India and Sumitomo Corporation Japan. Sumitomo has a legacy of 400 years and they have been ranked under Fortune 500 companies of the world. Their ancestors were monks. They started their business with medicines. And later they diversified their interest into mineral resources, copper, mining, etc. And they are known as Copper King of Japan. In 1900, ये सुमिटोमो का पहला रियल एस्टेट प्रोजेक्ट है जो उन्होंने जापान में डिलीवर किया.
Okay. This was the first construction
Yeah.
which they delivered.
This is their first project which they have delivered in Japan in 1900. And they have successfully delivered more than 400 real estate projects across 66 countries around the globe.
66 countries.
Right, including US, China, Japan, Indonesia. So one thing which you must have noticed here is they have followed the straight line architecture in most of their projects, and the same concept they have given in waterfall residences as well. Sumitomo has a annual turnover of $50 billion US. They have also been listed under Tokyo Stock Exchange list. I'll now take you to the history wall of Krishna Group. So the foundation of Krishna Group was laid by Mr. Ashok Kapoor in 1993. फिर से start.
नहीं ठीक है. नहीं ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. हाँ.
So the foundation of Krishna Group was laid by Mr. Ashok Kapoor in 1993. They are the largest manufacturers of automotive components with flagship of Krishna Maruti. And then they have a diversified interest in manufacturing metal components with flagship of SKH Metal Group. They also have a diversified interest in entertainment, seating, media, travel, and has an annual income of 6,000 crores. And they're the same family where Karishma Kapoor also got married.
अच्छा, very good. So guys, जैसा कि आप Karishma Kapoor got married to the Krishna family. That is.
Then their esteemed customers are Land Rover, Porsche, Volkswagen, Hyundai, Suzuki, etc.
Okay. दोनों ही काफ़ी reputed companies हैं. One is Krishna Group from India and one is Sumitomo from Japan, who has a legacy of construction in Japan, delivering more than 25,000 projects. This is the entire project that we have.
So if we talk about configurations, we have 3 sizes mainly: 2 bedroom, 3 plus S. So the middle rows of 3 towers are 2 bedroom apartment, and at the back and front we have 3 plus S, as you can see. And each tower has 4 penthouses. Out of these 3 towers we have 12 penthouses.
12 penthouses.
Our 2 LDK size is 1400 square feet, wherein our 3 LDK sizes starts from 1900 square feet, and 3 plus study is 2528 square feet. We have 3 sizes in penthouses. One is 3600, 4400 and 6000 square feet.
Okay. ठीक है.
So if you have any doubts or queries, you can contact on the below number on the screen. Thank you.